In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch between tabs in Google Chrome using simple keyboard shortcuts. If you work with lots of tabs every day, this is one of the fastest ways to move around without touching your mouse. It's a small shortcut, but once you learn it, it can save you a huge amount of time and make browsing feel much smoother. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome and make sure you already have multiple tabs open. These shortcuts work best when you have more than one tab available, because then you can actually move forward and backward between them. For example, you might have a search tab, a video tab, a document tab, and a shopping tab all open at the same time. Once you have a few tabs ready, you're set. Now for the first shortcut. To switch to the next tab on the right, press Ctrl plus Tab on your keyboard. As soon as you press those keys together, Chrome will jump to the next open tab. This is the quickest way to move forward through your tabs one by one. If you keep pressing Ctrl plus Tab again and again, Chrome will continue cycling through each tab in order. This is especially useful when you're comparing information across different pages, copying details from one tab to another, or simply trying to stay organized while multitasking. Instead of clicking each tab manually with your mouse, you can stay focused and move faster using just the keyboard. If you want to go the other direction and move to the previous tab on the left, use Ctrl plus Shift plus Tab. That shortcut brings you back one tab at a time in reverse order. So if you went too far or need to return to the tab you were using a moment ago, this shortcut is the one to remember. A simple way to think about it is this: Ctrl plus Tab moves you forward, and Ctrl plus Shift plus Tab moves you backward. Once that clicks, tab switching becomes second nature. You do not need any extra software, extensions, or settings changes. These are built-in Chrome shortcuts, so they work right away. If you are someone who works in Google Chrome all day, I highly recommend practicing these shortcuts a few times until they feel natural. The more you use them, the less you'll rely on the mouse, and the faster you'll be able to navigate your browser. It might seem basic at first, but these small productivity habits really add up over time. So let's quickly review it. Open Chrome with multiple tabs open, press Ctrl plus Tab to go to the next tab on the right. Keep pressing it to continue cycling forward. And if you need to go back, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Tab to move to the previous tab on the left. That's all there is to it. If this quick tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy computer tips and shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.